Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode of Bars Beat, where we do some of the maddest reviews round here and just about everything to do with music. Now today, in the program, we'll be breaking down who take the Dutty Money Riddim. Dirty money. Money we're not cleaning or washing or rinse. Alright, so if you're new to the program, just remember to subscribe. And if you want the latest videos when they drop, click the notification bell. Alright, let me give a quick history in the Dutty Money Riddim. Now the Dutty Money Riddim, it is produced by Russia, one of the baddest producers them from Jamaica. See? Now Dutty Money Riddim is a reincarnation, a reinvention, a remake of the Go-Go Club Riddim. And that rhythm was produced by the same Russian in 2009 when you have like Vybz Kartel did Go-Go Club on it, Go-Go Club song. So it's reinvented now in this year, and Roshan in his genius state brought some very good artists on it and let it propel. Now the rhythm features artists like Raja Wild, Jada Kingdom, Najiri, Valiant, Nige Boy, so many artists. So I am doing a review on the top 5 songs of the Dutty Money Riddim. Songs that I say took it away or take it away in order of priority. So this now is according to the Spotify charts. So you know, nowadays they do things from streaming. That's how they know the numbers. Now the songs that you might like to hear or say, well, it's your good song, that's your favorite song, might not necessarily be the song that is running the place, so to speak, in terms of the numbers. Now you'll be very surprised to see the songs that are running the place and the Dutty Money Riddim. So at number 5 coming in is Bubblegum by Valiant. Now Valiant, everybody know Valiant. I'm not really gonna introduce the artists, so you guys gonna know them. So Valiant did Bubblegum, and my take is that maybe because I heard Bubblegum sort of late on the Dutty Money Riddim, so I don't know if it was released late or I just didn't pick it up on my Bars Beat radar. But the numbers for Valiant Bubblegum is 897,514. That's the numbers they're streaming on Spotify. So you tell me, and this result is as of this time when the video is being made. Probably going up or probably going down. So it is according to this date. Coming in at number 4. Gone out for the 100,000 now and it gone in the million. So in the million now, at number 4, it is Gimme Nikki by Briscoe. Now everybody's supposed to know who Briscoe is, because what? He is the one that caused this whole authorization thing on the Dutty Money Riddim, because he was in a little back and forth with Roshan that he must do a song on the Dutty Money Riddim, and Roshan was saying no, he's not authorizing any song from him, and it was a social media back and forth which caused the authorize this to be a thing. Now the thing that what Roshan does, you have to hear, I need to authorize or don't authorize, and it's a fiasco. So the numbers for Briscoe's song Gimme Nikki is 1,089,177 stream. Can you imagine that? It is going, but it's at number 4. So I don't know what to take from it. Is it a high number or a low number? But as it stands, it is at 4. So we will know what it is. So probably this top 5 list may shock you, because some of the songs are what you think might have taken the rhythm and it really didn't. I was surprised, or you will be surprised as well, because the song that I really thought did take it, didn't take it. And the song that did take it was a iffy thing, so check it out. So coming in at number 3, this is by surprise. It is Continent. Continent, it's a surpriser for me, because I thought this would be the number 1 song. Nevertheless, number 3 is not that bad. So Continent was done by Nige Boy, which is the visually impaired guy. So he is, to me, he's the guy that took the rhythm because of the melodies of his song and the message that it sent and just the whole catchiness of it. So I guess I'm thinking that maybe it's because Nige Boy is not that recognizable as yet, but the song to me took the rhythm. So let me give you the numbers. So for Nige Boy, His numbers string at 1,289,305. Give him a round of applause. That's a good number. So he's standing firm at number 3, and I think his numbers will go up eventually. Now coming in at number 2, Mew. Who do? Testing. Okay, coming in at number 2, we have who? Twinkle. Jada Kingdom. She run the kingdom, you know. Ready? Alright, so coming in at number 2 is Jada Kingdom, and with Jada Kingdom song What's Up? Not What's Up. What's Up? What's Up? Or not, and everybody knows Jada Kingdom. She was in a beef with none other than the London Don, Steph London. Yeah, Burna Boy beef. Anyway, I don't know if they eat the beef yet, or they kill the beef, or they bury the beef, or they turn the beef in a steak. I don't know, but the beef was laid to rest, and they continue with music now. So their numbers is, her number at What's Up is 1,785,412. Big numbers that. Jada Kingdom, push it to the kingdom. You'll turn empress one day. You're just a queen. Alright, so for number 1, Rolly Jump. I don't really think it's a surprise for anyone knowing that I call out those numbers. The one that it is critically acclaimed to have taken the beat. Now, so far, it is officially taking the beat. And it is Go Go by Roger Wild. Why? Roger Wild, you go out with your things. Your song sort of explicit to the extreme, but you what? It has said the numbers, so a Caesar we have to give unto Caesar until Jesus comes in. So, your numbers is way out of the ballpark. It is saying 3,500,610. Where you said, Daddy? So, I hit that. Roger Wild take it Riddim, sir. Roger Wild take it. Me not say continent, but Roger Wild take it. And that a go on. But the honorary, on the list, we have to squeeze in an honorary person. And have to put in Nigeria night. Firm up a number 6 there. Is at 536,260. Still a number 6. He might hang on. He might climb the numbers, but I just saw him there. So people, where we not think, we want to know where we not have in our honorary. Put who no want in our honorary list. Let me know where we not think. So far, I hit that from Yasso. And I'm going to do another countdown of another beat and we'll take it. So, this is Duke Crick again, out of here from Bars Beats, and say what? Have that.